Number 1. Buksan ang iyong electronic spreadsheet tool. 2. I-type ang sumusunod na nakatalagang cell. Tandaan, pagkatapos i-type ang datos sa bawat cell, ay huwag kakalimutang pindutin ang cell A1, Donna's Pizza House. Cell B2, Kinita Site 1. Cell A3, Hawaiian. Cell C3, 200. Wait. Cell B4, 700. Cell A5, pepperoni. Cell C5, 200. Cell B6, 900. Cell A2, pizza flavor. Cell C2, Kinita Site 2. Cell B3, 700. Cell A4, ham and cheese. Cell C4, 200. Cell B5, 800. Cell A6, seafood. And Cell C6, 150. 3. Ayusin or adjust ang lapat ng bawat kolom sa pamamagitan ng pagtatapat sa pointer ng mouse sa linyang naghihiwalay sa dalawang column border at hinalhin ito. Pagkatapos ma-type ang datos at ma-adjust ang lapad ng columns ay magkakaroon ka ng output na katulad nito. Number 4. I-click ang File tab at piliin ang Save As. I-save ang workbook sa inyong folder at bigyan ito ng file name na Spreadsheet Table. Let's continue! This time, pag-format ng table sa spreadsheet. Upang magmukhang mas kaaya-aya ang table sa spreadsheet, maaaring i-format ang properties ng table. Sundan ang sumusunod na na hakbang upang mapaganda ang table. Pag-center ng mga teksto at pag-merge ng mga cells. 1. Buksan ang iyong file sa nakaraang gawain. Spreadsheet table. Number 2. Gamit ang mouse. I-select ang cell A1 to cell C1. Number 3. Sa Home tab ng ribbon ng spreadsheet, makikita ang Merge and Center button. I-click ito. 4. Pansinin na ang cell A1 hanggang cell C1 ay naging isa na lamang at ang teksto ay napunta sa gitna. Paglalagay ang border sa table. 1. I-select ang lahat ng cells ng table. 2. Mag-right-click sa loob ng selection. I-click ang Format Cells. Magbukas ng Format Cells sa dialog box. I-click ang Border tab. Magbubukas ang Border dialog box. Itakda ang line style at kulay ng border. Seven. Siguraduhin na i-click ang outline at inside sa ilalim ng presets upang may lapat ang formatting. I-click ang OK. I-save ang file. This time, maggagawa tayo ng chart sa spreadsheet. 1. Buksan ang file na spreadsheet table. 2. Gamit ang mouse. I-select ang cell A1 hanggang cell C6. 3. Pagkatapos may highlight ang cells, i-click ang Insert tab upang magbukas ang mga options. 4. I-click ang column option na nasa Charts group. Piliin ang 3D clustered column na nasa 3D column group. 6. Magkakaroon ng chart sa iyong spreadsheet. Paglalagay ng chart title. Double-click the title and type Kinita sa Donna's Pizza House. Then press format, and if you see this box right here, you can change any color. For me, I would choose the blue option for my title. Next, I'll set this line to blue or orange. Next, go to Chart Design. Go to Change Colors. Press this one. You can also change the. You can also go to Home. Press this. Then you can change the font what you like. I would choose this. Even this the chart title, I would change it to bold. And I'll make it purple, and this text I will make it red. Then don't forget to save. It's important to save. This time, let's make table a chart word processor. First, let's open Word. Then we press insert, press table. We're gonna make 3 columns and six rows. But first, let's highlight this. Go to layout, then press merge cells for our title. But first, let's copy the data here in Excel. So we press copy right next to paste. Go back to word processor. Then copy it here. So we're gonna copy this title. Then put it right here. Then we can also copy the rest. Then we'll copy, then put it right and paste it right here. Then remove this table by pressing delete and delete table. But we have to make the title in the middle. So we'll press this button here. Even all the data here. And there you go. We made a table. You can beautify this table. So I'm gonna make this Donna Pizza House a new font. I'm gonna use this font and color it red. Now let's color all of this and make it bold and make it bold and go to layout, table design. Then we can design whatever we want. I'm gonna choose this pink one. And there you go. We made a table. But this time, let's make a chart. So we're gonna go back to insert, but this time let's press chart. Then go to the fourth one that says 3D clustered column. Press OK and wait for it to load. We're going to delete all of this. Now let's go back to Excel. Copy the data by pressing like that. Then copy it back here. Then we'll paste. And there you go. And press X. And there you go. We made a chart. But we need to beautify this. We'll change this chart's name. This chart's title. I'm gonna call it Kinita ng Donna's Pizza House. Let's go back here and let's going to go this one, then use this font, then let's color it red. Now let's click this one, make it bold and color it black. Alright. You can also go to chart design and choose one of these styles. I'm gonna choose this one. And there you go. And copy this, go back to home, Can go here, then make it red. And there you go. And don't forget to save this. And make a title. I'm gonna call this table and chart
And word.
example in Word. Then we'll press the save.
And that's it.
And there you go. We made a table and a chart. I hope this video helps. Thank you, everybody.